Hello friends, Vivek here. In the last video I described you how to find out the square root of any imperfect square. So if you haven't watched it, the link is in the description. I would recommend you to watch it. And today in this video I'm going to describe you how to find out the square root of any number in seconds without using any calculator. Okay, so before starting I want you to show up this one. So here you can see that I have written the square of all the numbers starting from 0 to 1. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, etc. So we are going to use this in our today's session. So let's start. So let us take a number. Say what is the square root of 9 2 1 6. Okay, so this seems that it is tough to find out the square root of such a number, 4-digit number, without using a calculator, but I will describe you a way that you will be able to find out even faster than a calculator. So the first step to find out the square root is that see the digit at the units place. So it's 6 here, so that means that says that the answer of this square root is going to end up with either 4 or 6. Okay, why I say so? See, the square of the digit 4 and the square of the digit 6 is ending with 6. See, okay, so that what enables me to say that the answer of this square root is going to end up with 4 or 6. We are going to decide this soon which of this is correct, but let us leave this for now. And in the second step, strike out the digit at unit and tens place. Okay, so we are left with these two digits, 92. Okay, now we need to look at a perfect square which is present nearer to 92 and at the same time smaller than 92. So the perfect square present near to 92, smaller than it, is 81. Okay, 9 square is 81. So this is smaller than 92 because 10 tens are 100, 9 square is 81. So one part of our answer is this 9. Okay, one part of our answer is 9. Now what we need to do is that we need to multiply this first part with the next number, that is 9, and the next number coming in series is 10. Okay, so 9 into 10 is 90. Okay, now 92, this 92 is greater than this 90. Okay, so as 92 is greater than 90, here in 4 or 6 we need to select the number which is greater, so that makes 6 as the last digit, and this is our answer. Okay, 96 is the answer. I can show you in the calculator, so let us type this down, clearing this. So 9216, what's the square root? Here you go, 96 is the answer. Okay, let us see more such example. What is the square root of 3 1 3 6? Okay, so what is the square root of 3136? So it's again ending with 6, so that says that our answer is going to end with either 6 or 4. Okay, of course, due to the same reason. And then we strike this out. We have 31, so the perfect square present near to 31, smaller than 31, is 25. Okay, so 25 has a square root of 5, so that makes 5 as the first part of our answer. Multiply this 5 with the next number in series, that is 6. So 5 into 6 is 30. Again 31 is greater than 30, so that that allows us to select the greater number between 6 and 4, that is 6. So 56 is our answer. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, again we check it out in the calculator. So 3136 square root is 56. Okay, let me try out an interesting one. So what is the square root of 2025? Okay, so it's ending with 5, which says that our answer is going to end up with 5. And let us see, any number is there present with no, only 5 is such a number which square ends with 5. Okay, so that makes the one part of our answer as 5. Okay, now strike this out. Now the perfect square present near to 20 is 16, and it is also smaller than 20. Okay, so 16 has square root 4, so that makes the answer 45. Why I didn't do all that other step? Simply because we have only 5 and we don't need any selection between two number, right? We don't have options, so we can directly put 45. We can directly write 4, and that makes the answer 45. I can show you again. Here you go, 2025 has a square root, has 45. Okay, let us take another example. Okay, let us find out the square root of 4761. Okay, 4761. So ending with 1, that makes 1 or 9 as the last digit. Now one interesting thing to note up here is that the two options that are coming are complementary, which means the both options that are coming are, when added up, gives the answer 10. Okay, you can see this, you can check it out. You will get options like 4 or 6. Okay, 1 9, then 2 8. Each of these digit on the either side, when added up, gives the answer 10. Only that's why when we get 5, there is no other option, because it's only 5 or 5. Okay, so 5 makes 10, so that is only 5. Except 5, all the other options that are coming, both of these options when added up give the answer as 10. Okay, I'm rubbing this up. Now we have 1 or 9. We are going to select which one of this is correct, but before that, strike off the unit and tens place digit. So we have 47, so the nearest perfect square to 47 and smaller than that is this one, 36. Okay, so 36 has square root as 6, so that makes the first part of our answer as 6. Now multiply this 6 with the next number in the series, that is 7. So 6 7s are 42, and 42 and 47, between 42 and 47, 47 is of course greater, so we are going to select the greater number, so 69 is our answer. Okay, we can again show you. So our number is 4761. So a quick calculation shows that our answer is correct. Okay, one more example and then we can end this up. So let's try out a simple one. Square root of 625. Okay, so again ending with 5, so that makes 5 as one part of this answer. Strike out this unit and tens place, so we are left with 6. So the perfect square present nearer to 6 and at the same time is smaller than 6 is 4, and 4 has square root as 2, so that makes 25 as our answer. Again, we don't need to make any selection because it is only 5, so we don't need to do all other steps. Okay, so I will request all the viewers to pause the video and try some of this. Let us try out the last one last problem, 1024. 0.024. So again 4 is in the last 4 is the last digit, that makes 2 or 8 as the options, and 2 or 8. Again we strike out this last 2 digit. So present near to 10, the perfect square, and smaller at the same time is this one, 9. 9 has square root of 3. So 3 is one part. 3 multiplied by 4, this time 12. So this time 10 is less than 12, so we are going to select the lesser one. So 32 is our answer. So in this manner you are going to try, you are going to calculate it very easily and very simply without using any calculator. And once you are get used of this technique, you will find that you are faster enough and you don't require any calculator to calculate any such thing. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.